Hello. I know a few families were having some difficulties logging into Think Central, so I just want to give a basic, quick tutorial video. So if you are on the internet and you open a new tab, if you simply search Think Central, just the words Think Central up top, the very first website that pops up at the top, it will be this one that says k6thinkcentral.com. You'll see it says start. If you click one of these ones, they're similar links, but they will not be the correct one. So that could be the problem. So once you get in, you click here. Mine has my credentials saved, but you'll probably need to log in with all of this stuff here, Michigan, Holt, and Dimondale. So once you're there, I'm just going to log in as a student right now. You'll need to make sure, so one thing that they're probably used to is plugging in their first initials and their numbers, but for Think Central you need to put at hpsk12.net and their password 12345. I'm going to log in as a student. Okay, so this shows up here. This is the main screen. There are things to find in my library that if you're more interested I can show you. Also, if you're ever curious to see any of your child's scores, that will be found right here. But when I assign things on Think Central, everything will pop up here under Things to Do. So two of the ways I've been using this website to help with math instruction is there's the ISE, which stands for the Interactive Student Edition, and the PMT is the Personal Math Trainer. So the Interactive Student Edition is pretty much a short video that there's I believe it's a Fox. They'll walk you along through a lesson and teach that lesson. So I'll do some of the teaching through videos, but sometimes I might have you click on this ISE here. I'll show you what it looks like. And they'll walk you through the lesson. They go slow, so bear with it. But
how can you relate fractions, decimals, and money?
So you'll just click start and get started here. There's the Fox.
Hi there. Guess what I found? Take a closer look at this rock to find out.
So you see it goes pretty slow, but it does the job. And each one of these things here, down here, that's the next step to the lesson. So you'll click here, they'll talk you through some things, and then they'll give your child some chances and opportunities to answer some things. And at the end there are two brief assessments just to check and see if they were able to learn through it. So this is the Interactive Student Edition. Okay, you can find that under Things to Do anytime that we have a new assignment. They'll be here. I'll say ISE for the video. The PMT Personal Math Trainer, it looks like this. I don't make these extremely long. They're usually just 2 questions. It's loading here. See, there's just 2 questions, and it's taking the lesson we just learned and applying it to a few question assessment. When you're done, turn it in, and I'll see what your child was able to do, and that will help me decide where to go from there. So that is how you use Think Central. Anything I'll assign your child will be under Things to Do, and I hope this was helpful. One last thing I'll point out, it is not the same website as Imagine Math. Imagine Math, they all have their own pathways that I've individualized to each student. This is just a separate resource that you may use, but anytime I say Think Central, this is the website I'm looking at. I hope this was helpful.